Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. You can see that previously we have discussed in Dow Jones. You can see here up till here come but gap up open. After that it goes continuously after sellers came once again, and here only you can see that it taking resistance somewhere here only. These three candle you have to take your position and your sell will be this red candle. You can see that how nicely our first target also reached, second and third even. You can see here it is continuously taking here resistance. So you hope you have got very nice trade in here too. We can see NASDAQ too guys now. Here you can see here what we have discussed, but gap up open. After that it became a volatile. It came downside after here somewhere or here only, because this is touching at this point only. After that it reversible and came downside slowly. After this you can see that how nicely it came downside and taking resistance now, because this will act as support but act as resistance right now. Okay guys, we can see next in Russell 3000. You can see here what we have expected exactly there. From there only it reverse. You have to here only somewhere it will be the your buying position somewhere here only put, and your SL will be this green candle. You can see that how nicely, or otherwise your second entry will be here because it acts as a resistance. If you have taken here also, you can see that how nicely you have got all the target reached. Here is the ideal place where you have to buy, but here also you have buy it, so made very nice money. If you make any money, please do let me know in the comment guys. Here in here also SPX, it breaks. This is the breakout failure, came down once again taking resistance continuously. At this right candle you have to buy, and your SL will be this right candle. Okay guys, you can see that how nicely fall has been came. Otherwise you have to buy somewhere here and your SL will be here. You can see that how nicely fallen has been came. Our first target also reached, second, third, all three target also reached, and here from here also you have buy. So you have got 5 target guys. So you can see that how accurate our analysis is. That you can see here also. I have told you up till here only you have to take. After that only, here only seller is activated. You have to buy this red candle and your SL will be this green candle or this red candle. You can see that how nice fall has been given. Our first target also reached, second target, third target, even it's taking right now resistance guys. So you can see that our analysis is how much accurate guys. So I also show you the at some stocks what we have discussed exactly from here only. You can see that exactly from here only taken resistance. Our first target also reached, second target, even third target also reached in Tesla also. Okay guys, now we can see in Microsoft also what happened is that here only continuously consolidated. If you not shorted here or not buy the put, no, don't worry about it. Here somewhere you can see here it becoming volatile. After that somewhere here only it came downside at this place, because this is the one of the wick making. You can see here if you buy it somewhere here also, but you have to kept your SL at this point, high point, because you know that because here is the one wick so long, so buyer will try it, so buyer will failure here. After that it taken resistance exactly. You can see that how nicely fall has been came, and right now in consolidating. Okay guys, in Apple also I will show you exactly where we have told you up till here only you have to take, up till there only. After that became a volatile and came downside. You can see here if you have shorted your call upside or some put in downside, so you have got very nice trade, and even you have bought a future also, you have got very nice trade here also guys. You can see that how accurate our analysis is. That okay guys, we can see for today how on 13th Dow Jones all index and stocks will behave for us today. Okay guys. Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. We can see here guys, I will just shift this line. You can see here it will act as the resistance right now guys for us. Okay guys, so right now what I'm saying, if once again it will take your resistance from here, our first target will be a second target, third target, and even you can go for your fourth target guys. Okay guys, if eventually it breaks or big gap up happen. So go and join my Telegram channel, guys. I will update there. So some big gap up or give big gap down somewhere, or I don't think that it will not sustain our levels, then only I will give you the update. Otherwise, yesterday also big gap up open, but I have seen that it is in the range and it will act as a resistance only. So I have not updated anything. If I am seeing that our analysis is going wrong, then only I will update you in the Telegram channel. You can see there. Okay, guys. In NASDAQ too, guys, you can also join my subscribe my channel, guys. You can get forex and crude oil, all the major pairs, and crude oil, gold, all have done analysis for whole week. You can go and check out that too, guys. Our accuracy is 90 to 95%, guys. I don't want to any flashes like uh, uh, a bigger announcement. So just see the NASDAQ, guys. Right now we can see here, right now it is continuously taking resistance. So we can talk about it later, guys, what I am wanted to tell you. But right now we can see analysis. This is our first target, guys. This will be the second, guys. This will be our third, and you can go for your fourth target too, guys. Okay, guys. In upward also, we do nothing is that if it will came, our first target will be somewhere here, guys. Second target you can achieve, your third target, guys, your fourth target, guys. Okay, guys, these are the four target in NASDAQ. In Russell 3000, what I have told you up till here only exactly, it has been reaches there and came down and taken exactly from here only resistance. So right now it is acting as a resistance only, big resistance and supporting zone. If once again it take a support somewhere here, our first target, this will be the second, third, and this will be the our fourth and last target. Okay, guys, in downside also we can discuss, it will came downside, take resistance somewhere here, our first target, guys, second, third, and our fourth target, guys. Okay, guys, we can see in SPX, guys, in XPX2, guys, you can see here, guys, it will be the very much volatile right now. If once again take resistance, our first target would be a second target, third, and your fourth final target. Okay, guys, you have to see that it has to break low, then only go for these two target. If once again take resistance, then go for these four target. Okay, guys, and that too you can book your second target only 70 to 80%, guys, so you can not lose any your hard-earned money, guys. Okay, guys, our first, second, third, and fourth target, guys. Okay, guys, in SPX, in HGX also we can discuss what I have told you exactly. There only taken resistance right now, guys. So I will just shift these support and resistance area. So right now it is acting as a resistance area, one of the major resistance area. So right now you can see here, if once again take resistance, our first target, second target. Okay, guys, you can book here only because this is the buying zone, so you have to book here only. If make a price action, then you can go for your third, fourth, and fifth target too. Okay, guys, we can see some stocks, guys, right now, like Tesla. Okay, guys, in Tesla, this is the one of the major supporting areas right now. Okay, guys, the ideal thing is that if it will doesn't break and gives bigger gap up, it will consolidate and break, then we can get very nice trade up till here. But we have got here also because it exactly taken here resistance and we got up till here. If you are traded, please comment down, guys. I wanted to let you know how much money you have been made. You can see here, this is also one trend line right now. So please see that if it consolidates here only and then breaks, then you can definitely your first, second, and third target you can achieve, guys. Okay, guys, otherwise you can see here only. I will just shift this. If it will came downside, then your first, second, third target in downside, guys. Okay, guys, in Microsoft also what we have to discuss, this will be the stronger buying zone, guys. So if it will crosses this line, okay, guys, I will just made it. If it will crosses this line, our first target will be somewhere here, guys, second target, and our third target, guys. Okay, guys, these are the three target in upside momentum. Okay guys, you have to see it, and also up till here you can reach. Okay guys, up till here you can take it out. Okay guys, if once again it will take resistance somewhere here, your first target, second target, and your third target will be here. Okay guys, we can see for Apple exactly what we have told you up till here only, exactly there from only taken a resistance. Right now what I am seeing is that it is continuously taking a, here only W pattern has made, and so our first target will be somewhere here guys, second target will be somewhere here guys, third target, and our fourth target guys, in upside momentum if it will goes. Okay guys, if once again it came downside, our first target, if it will reversible, then you can go for these only target what I have told you. Okay guys, if it came downside and taken resistance, your as usual our first target guys, second, third, and fourth target guys. Okay guys, you have to see that if it will reversible from here only, so you have to see the patiently what will happen. Okay guys, hope you like this video guys. If you like my video, please go and subscribe my channel guys. Even I have Telegram channel, go and join there. I will post so many ideas, and in forex also, in forex pairs and crude oil, gold, all the natural gas, all the analysis I have done, you can check out that too. Okay guys, so hope you like this video. I have not done any marketing or sort of thing for YouTube. I am genuine trader, so if you like this video, please share with your friends and family. I don't charge anything or something like that. I have wanted to come and join my channel, so I will sell you something like this. No course will be there. I have told you so many analysis in there only. I have told you so many small analysis and learning points, so you can check out those videos also. You can learn so much nice, and even you can, your probability is right now is 1 is to 1, so you can get at least 1 is to 2 or 1 is to 3 from my analysis also. Go and check out guys. Hope you like this video guys. Thank you guys.